Hello and welcome. In this video I'll be showing you how to add social media icons to your website. First thing I want to do is download a plugin that will allow us to do that. So I'm just going to go into my dashboard here and click on, anytime you see something like a number here, it means there's an update due. So here it's saying that I've got one plugin. There's an update on one of my plugins. So you can click on that and that will automatically, if you're not sure which of the plugins needs updating, just select all the plugins and click on the update option and click apply, and that will check all the plugins you've got. And then apply, it tells you here updated. You can see that number has gone because the plugins have been updated. Okay, so now I want to add a new plugin. So I click on that plugins, click add new, just move this a little bit, click on add new to add a new plugin, and that will give us the search area. So here I'm going to type in social media widget. That's the widget or plugin I want. It's called social media widget. So that's the actual name of the widget. And let me scroll through. That one's quite popular, 30,000. You can tell how popular a widget is by the number of downloads. So this one's downloaded 100,000 times. So this is the one I want. So I'm going to click install now. Give it time to install. You can see it's installed. I'm going to now activate the social media widget. All right. So now that's been activated. I'll click on the appearance, click on widgets, and that will take me into the widgets area. It's always good to add social media icons to the footer, which is the bottom of your website. So this is the footer area. So that's the area we need to add the widget. So to add it to the footer, all these are areas where you can add widgets. So if I click on here, you can see this footer here has no widget. So what I need to do is look for the plugin that I've just installed called social media. There you go. So all I need to do is just drag it and look for the footer. This is the footer, and just drop it in there. All right. So now the widget is in the footer area. Now I need to add the relevant widget. So I'll click on general settings and click on social networking. So here I want to add, so what you do, you add the link. If your site or your business has got a Facebook page, this is where you add the link. If you got Google, you just add the relevant links. So I'm just want to illustrate just by copying this link here. But this is not the actual link you should put in here. You should put the actual link to your Facebook. So I'm just going to drop that so that we can activate the icons. This is Google. I'll drop that there. And this is Twitter. But you must put the actual links for the various websites. And I come here. There's nothing there. So I'll now go into social media, images and videos. For example, if you got Flickr, you can put that Instagram. If you got Instagram, paste your Instagram link there. If you got Pinterest, you paste your Pinterest link in there, and so on. If you've got YouTube as well, paste your YouTube channel in there. So once you've done, just click save. All right, now we can go check out our website. And when something is in the footer area, that means it will appear on every page within your website. Okay, So you can see all the links are highlighted. So I put in 6 together. You can see they're all highlighted there. All right, so let's click on our link to the website and let's scroll down to the footer area. You can see here we've all got the social media icon. You could also make it as big or as small as you want. This page here is the home page. If I click on this sample page, it will be there. Something that's in the footer area will appear on every page within your website. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back into my dashboard. I want this icons to be a bit big. So I'll go back into my dashboard and go into my widgets area. Go into widgets. There are several ways you can access your dashboard from this icon and so on. So let's go into the footer area and just click on the drop down, go back to general settings and click on social networking, and just want to check. So make sure you click on the general settings. Okay, so click on general settings and you can remove a title if you don't want that. I'm going to take that title out, and then here, this is a default size. I'm going to make mine big and make it 64, and that will apply to all the icons. And let me just check if there's anything else. So yeah, I'm happy with the alignment, everything else. So that's it. I only wanted to change the size. I'll click save. Now if I go back into the page just by clicking on the link, you will see that the icons will appear much bigger. You can see the icons are much bigger now. This here, unfortunately, we can't take that out because this is part of the deal by using this free theme. This means so that you can at least give them credit for the theme. If you decide you like the theme, you want to purchase it, then when you purchase the actual theme, you have more features. In fact, this is just a minimal feature. There's more features on the original theme, so you can purchase that, and then you have the ability to take out this, and then you can put your own company or business name there. But because we are using this free theme, we have to leave that there so as to give them credit for creating this theme for us to use. All right, so that is it on how to add social media icons to your website. Thank you. There are different ways you can do that using different themes and using different types of widgets. I've only just used one specific widget type called the social media widget, and I've used it on this theme, but you can use that widget on any theme as well. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.